Well, back again. Got a bolt here. I'm going to match it with a drill bit. I'm going to put it on these marks here. I'm going to drill. There's a couple lines I got drawn here. I'm going to drill down through there. And this will fit over like that. These will go down through. And I'll put a butterfly nut and a washer on underneath. So here we go. I'm going to match up. I need 6 millimeters, so well, that's 1/4 inch, but one above that. Where is my 1/4 inch? 1/4 inch over here. Yeah, we'll go to 1764. That'll give us lots of room. That's 1/4 there. Okay. Yeah, that'll go down through nicely. Or actually, 1/4 inch would probably work good. It doesn't matter. It doesn't need to be real tight. Doesn't need to be real tight fit for this. Because in the end, it's going to be screwed down tight anyway, so this thing doesn't move at all. So, put my little garbage can underneath to catch all the this should be good for that. Now, get my little dustpan and a broom on this. Put that in the garbage can down there. Now let's see if this fits. Okay, so that goes down through. I hope these bolts are long enough. I gotta look under. I didn't even look at that. I got such a mess here. Huh. And they might be. They might be. I gotta pull this off just a tiny bit so I can get my hand in there. Got one on. Gonna have to hold it down. Okay. Oh. And that went in the garbage can, so I don't know. Where's my butterfly nut? That's the worst thing about having cramped spaces. But I'm gonna show you all the heartaches and everything else that comes with this. What the heck? Why are you not going on there? The other one went on. Ah, there we go. Okay. So, what I do is take my speed square, put it there like that. What do you know? It's already square, but it's not adjusted this way. So, gotta go loosen off a bit, loosen off a tiny bit. Bring it to, oops, that one's still not loose enough. There. Bring it out to that mark. I see there. Okay, even on that side. Tighten this down again. Tighten it down. There with the butterfly nuts. There. Now it's not moving. It's 90. And so the guitar would come up here. So I still got, you can't see it. I'll just take this off here. I'll turn this thing around again. Oh, that's pretty bright. There we go. Around again. There we go. So there's a couple marks here, but that's where the top of the guitar will be going up. So the guitar comes around, whoops, let me see. Guitar is going to come around kind of like this, you know. So it would be down here somewhere to hold it in place. Drill a hole here somewhere. Go over here, drill a hole over here somewhere. Put a piece of wood across. Put something like, I don't know, sponge or styrofoam or something. Cork, anything to put on top of the guitar to keep it in place. Doesn't scratch it and stuff. And then you can router with the tin plate here. Do this mortise and then do the tenon. Turn it around, do the tenon. And you can take this off with these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just get rid of it. Put it aside somewhere till you need it again. So that saves some space. And all the space I can get is gold in this situation. Anyways, it's getting to be a bit of a long video here, but anyway, yeah, that's what I'm at. I got the template made. I'm ready to router this neck. Actually, I can show you this here. I'll turn this around again. So here's the neck. It'll be going up like that. Oh, like so. See, that matches up there. I got it all drawn in there already. But I'm in my shadow now. I can't see what I'm doing here on the camera. Oh, there we go. So yeah, like that. So you can put the router in there and then router out all the way, all this out here, 11/16 dipped, and turn it around and do the tenon, same thing for the guitar when the guitar goes in there. So that's where I'm at on there. So anyways, when I get ready for that, which won't be tonight because I gotta work tomorrow. Anyway, it won't be tonight, but when I'm ready, that'll be done. And I'll come back with another video.